Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Fog of War chess on chess.com. First open chess.com and sign in, then go to play and choose live chess to start a match. Next, click the variants menu and find Fog of War, also called Dark Chess, then set time controls and opponent preferences. Finally, click Start Game and review the reduced visibility rules so you know how captures and checks work during play. Playing Fog of War changes how you think about safety and scouting. Remember, you only see squares your pieces attack or occupy at the start of your turn, so recon moves matter. Try cautious pawn advances and knight hops to reveal key areas without losing material. Keep track of squares that become newly visible and use logic to infer enemy piece locations from captures and sudden checks during the game. To improve quickly, focus on controlled probing and piece safety in Fog of War. Use knights and pawns to reveal squares methodically and avoid sending your queen deep without support. Track captures and legal moves to build a mental map of likely enemy piece positions and favor exchanges that reduce uncertainty. Practice short time controls to learn pattern recognition and gradually increase complexity as your inference skills become sharper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.